New Orleans, stop playing. We finally have our own high-end wholesale hair store right here in the city. You don't have to drive to Houston or Atlanta for the plug anymore. No more shipping. I just found Star Hair located right here in Harvey, Louisiana, and I'm telling y'all, they are literally changing the game for the city. Look at these HD laces on these frontals and closures. OMG, it blended so well into my skin, and this is no bleach, no nothing. This is straight from the factory, honey. Look at that. That's tea. This is a more close-up of that HD lace again. And then right here, y'all, that's them bundles. Silky, yes. Full, yes. Like, the bundles are everything. The bundles are thick all the way to the ends. And then right here, this is that loose wave bundle. And do y'all see that curl bounce back, snap back like that? Like, yes. Look at the curly hair. All of the curly hair had that bounce back when you pull and stretch the curls. Like, it was amazing. This kinky curl hair was so thick. It was so thick. I'm like, baby, you probably could put 2 bundles with that. That Burmese curly, amazing. Like, yes. All of the curly bundles had that bounce back effect. Right here is some wigs. The wigs range from different densities between 150 density and 200 density. Right here was a closure wig, and he was showing me the lace being pre-bleached already. Right here is a body wave wig. This was about 26 inches, very full all the way to the ends. This straight wig was made to the gods. OMG. Look at that lace. The quality of the way the wig was built is amazing. He also gave us some cute headbands because it is Mardi Gras time in the city. Then here's me showing y'all some more wigs that they have on hand. That was a body wave one. Here's a straight one. Yes. Silky. True to length. The curls bounce back. Y'all see it right here. That was a shorter wig, but the curls was amazing. I was just fixing the lace a little bit. Right here, this wig was amazing. Like, for real. The lace was good. Like, whoever bleached it, look at, like, they did that. Whoever plucked it, it was just, that was a beautifully made wig as well. This is me putting it back onto the mannequin, and as y'all can see, it's blending right into that mannequin. This is the last wig I'm going to show y'all today, and it was also a closure wig. You can pick out these curls and it would get that fluffy effect. I didn't want to pick it out because I do want to leave that to the customer that buys the wig. Right here, I'm just looking at some of the different qualities of the hair types, being 10A, 12A. It's showing y'all the type of payments, some hair care tips, also some promo they have going on. And then these are the bundles that are on the other side. And mind you, they're fully stocked of this stuff, so you can come in and shop. Also, they gave me some bundles to try out, and I'll be back to let y'all know how these bundles are.